Hello guys, this is Ray. Is Dollar Tree oven cleaner the best engine degreaser? I'm pretty sure it is. Another fun fact on this golf cart, the top fits right onto the carburetor, so you don't have to worry about taping it off or anything. Gonna spray this down, let it soak for a little bit, and then we will spray it off and see how clean I could get it. Alright, we got it all sprayed down. Word of caution, definitely do this outside because it smells horrible. Got it in all over the place. Just gonna let this sit on here for a little bit, let it do its magic, and then I'm gonna spray it down with just a regular garden hose. I've done this a couple times before with other different motors and it worked quite well, so should work quite well with this one too. You can see it just already eating off all that grease. Heard about this trick on YouTube one day and decided to buy a couple cans, and I used a can and a half on this little motor. We're gonna see how well it comes out. To take a look at the results, I'd say pretty damn good. There's still a little bit that could have sat on a little bit more, but for the majority of it, definitely won't overheat my motor now, having all that nasty grease on there, oil, whatever you have it. I did find a piece of sticking right in there. Somebody must have been off-roading and having one hell of a good time. But this over here was all caked on real thick. That came off and quite clean. I'm extremely happy with the results.